Welcome to Don Carinderia Series Plus. If you're a fan of veggies, this episode is for you. Today we're gonna be making chop suey. Let's prepare the ingredients. First, we're gonna mince some garlic. I used about 6 to 8 cloves here. Next, we're gonna dice some onion. I'm using the white variety this time because it will add sweetness to the dish. Next, we have some Baguio beans. I like the texture that Baguio beans give. It's crunchy and delicious. Right now, I'm cutting them into 2-inch wide strips. The next veggie in our list is the favorite veggie of Bugs Bunny, the carrots, which I don't like at all. I have here 3 small ones and I'm slicing them thinly. Next, we're gonna cut some cauliflower and broccoli. I call them the Afro duo. They're so cute. I'm cutting them into small pieces. Chop suey is very pleasing to the eyes because of all the colors of the veggies. We have greens, orange, yellow, and now red. Unfortunately, the grocery didn't have red bell pepper, so it's just almost red bell pepper here. So we're cutting them into cubes. If I were to choose a favorite veggie, this is going to be it. Sitsaro in the Philippines or snow peas in English. How do you prepare them? I'm gonna show you how. Lay it on its flat side. Cut one end of the snow pea, and when you go for the other end, try to pull the string on the flat side of the snow pea. And that's it. Now that we're done with our veggies, let's turn to our meat. Let's cut some chicken breasts into bite-sized pieces. I separated the chicken skin from the meat because I plan to fry them and serve it as a topping to our chop suey. I don't have chicharron, which is the best topping to chop suey. To add flavor to our chimkin, I'm adding some soy sauce. I'm adding a splash of Worcestershire sauce. Add sugar to balance the saltiness. To bind all the flavors in, add some cornstarch. Mix everything together. At this point, I'm deveining some shrimp. If I want to level up my dish, I simply add shrimp. In my previous video, I told you about this baking soda water mix trick, which will produce plump shrimp, and I'm doing this again for chop suey. I think we're done with the ingredients, so mise en place, check. Let's start cooking. Let's saute our onions over medium heat. Then we'll add the onion's best friend, our minced garlic. Add your chicken now. While waiting for our chicken to cook, let's do some multitasking. In a pot of briskly boiling water, we will blanch our veggies. By the way, I already added some salt. Let's dump in our Baguio beans first. Cook this for about 2 minutes and then remove it from the boiling water. Dump your veggie in cold water to stop the cooking process. Next, we'll blanch our broccoli. The reason why we're blanching our greens is that we're trying to preserve the color and the texture and the flavor as well. Remember to remove the veggie after cooking for a few minutes. Lastly, we're gonna blanch our snow peas. Okay, we're gonna go back to our chicken. Add your carrots to your chimkin. Carrots usually take a lot longer to cook than other veggies, so normally we cook it first. Next, we're gonna dump in our cauliflower. Does anyone know the Tagalog term for cauliflower? I'm adding now our bell peppers. It is time to add now our broccoli and snow peas. Please support my family and friends' YouTube channels, Angela Balan, Sherilyn Vlogs, My Diary, Seafarer Joanna, and lastly, Donnie Ray Cabral Official. Next, we're gonna add some sliced cabbage. Mix everything together. More shoutouts to my content creator friends. Sembran Sisters Venture, Joanna P, Miss Levy AJ, Arlene BE, ICM, Edna Oduka, Jean Vibes Vlogs, Carol Caro, and lastly, Roshu Vlog. I'm adding now our shrimp and they are cooked already. We will now add our slurry, which is composed of cornstarch, water, and a little bit of oyster sauce. The cornstarch here will help in thickening the sauce. To give some flavor to our dish, we're gonna add some salt and pepper. Always taste your food. To make our chop suey even more special, I'm gonna be adding some boiled quail eggs before serving. Get your dinner plates ready, guys! This is your perfectly splendid chop suey. Enjoy! Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.